Kwa ihinda rĩa mĩaka 30 aikari a tauni ya Ngong makoretwo magiikara na hahu ya kugumirwo ni mĩrimũ ngũrani ĩrĩa yumanaga na gĩko kuona makoretwo mathiũrũrũkĩirio nĩ Kiara kĩrĩa ningĩ gĩkoretwo gĩkĩrehe mũnungo mũru. Mwaka-inĩ wa 2021 thirikari ya Kajiado nĩ yambĩrĩirie mũbango wa gũtheria kĩara kĩu kĩa makĩria ma ĩka 6 thengia wa ũregani mũnene kuma kũrĩ aikari na atongoria a mwena ũcio arĩa mendaga megune o ene.
Wakati ilikuwa hapa kulikuwa na ukosefu wa usalama kwa sababu mtu angeweza kupita hapa, angeweza kupigwa ngeta wakati wa jioni hata mchana kwa sababu kulikuwa kumejificha hivi.
Hiyo ilikuwa mbaya kwa sababu hata tulikuwa tunaona inaweza kudhuru afya ya wananchi kama mahali ilikuwa inakaa kwa watu wa Mathare na sana sana kwa ile kanisa iko pale ya Catholic. Ilikuwa inaonyesha picha mbaya kwa kaunti.
Thutha wa kĩara kĩu gũtherio, aikari nĩ matũgĩrĩtie ikinya rĩu kũrĩa maugĩte ndogo na mĩnungo mĩũru nĩ maũndũ mahetũke nĩ mahinda.
Furahia sana kwa kuondolewa kwa hiyo takataka mahali hapa.
Kwa sababu kwanza security yetu iko poa. Kitu ya pili ni health. Unapata sasa hapa rufu yenye ilikuwa inatoka hapa ilikuwa mbaya sana. Unajua vijana wengi hawana kazi, hawana nini, so wanakuja wanajificha hapa, wanarogota chuma wanauza, wasipopata chuma ya kuuza wanakupiga ngeta.
Mũrũgamĩrĩri wa mũthibari wa Ngong Town David Kobai augĩte ũnyitanĩri-inĩ na kambuni cia andũ kĩũmbe nĩ mambĩrĩirie mũbango wa gũtheria gĩko kĩu na gũthondeka indo ingĩ cia bata.
It has cleared the issue that was really a bad image to the town of Ngong with the new development, the new market. So as a municipality, we were really happy about it, even the county government of Kajiado. So one, it has reduced a lot of diseases. Two, we want to make it very clean town. One, that the governor has really insisted that we live a livable town. So as a municipality, we were planning to have a recovery plant in vet farm. We have about 20 acres. But currently, the SOPGAB measures. We have Bagos International doing solid waste for us.
Thoko-inĩ ya Ngong gĩko kĩu kĩracokanĩrĩrio na gũtũmĩrwo gũthondeka bataraitha na gasi ya kũruga kũrĩa mũbango ũyũ nyihĩtie gĩkĩro gĩa gĩko kĩrĩa kĩrogotagwo kuma mũigana wa tani 3 nginyagia tani 1.5.
We are doing everyday collection. We are sorting from the source that the waste from Ngong market is now changed to gas and fertilizer, and it has also reduced the people who are traders in the market.
Mũbango o ta ũyũ nĩ gũtwarithio na mbere tauni-inĩ cia Kisiria na Ongatarũgai.
Ndani ya town mahali makaa inatumika. So tulitengeneza hii digester kubwa, hiyo kitu mzuri kwa hii digester inatumia hiyo waste mboga, waste takataka ya soko, anything biodegradable.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Waithĩra wa Mwangi.